I'd also like to take the opportunity, Madam Deputy Speaker, for something that is very close to my heart and those of my community in the Greater Whitsunday region, and that was the announcement of Queensland Health's decision on an interim basis to stop the landing of RACQ CQ Rescue at the helipad of the Mackay Base Hospital. There was an incident that did occur over a week ago. A risk assessment was to be carried out. But then to find out, when the CEO of RACQ CQ Rescue was contacted by the Mackay Airport because somebody, a representative from Queensland Health, had contacted them to say, Mackay Airport, could you build an interim facility and could you make that happen in 2 months because your helipad is going to be out of service for the next 3 years due to hospital upgrades? Madam Deputy Speaker, as a region, we welcome the $250 million in hospital upgrades, but when I am being told by locals that that cost has now blown out $60 million, and I asked the minister and I've written for her intervention and to understand what that cost blowout means, it should not be to the detriment of those that need emergency care and that need to be able to be transported to our emergency service at Mackay Base Hospital. Madam Deputy Speaker, $5 million is contributed by local people that deduct from their salaries, from companies that rely upon that, from organisations like Hamilton Island, mining and resource companies, GNS Engineering, where mums and dads deduct from their salary to co-fund our emergency service. It was established in Mackay by locals for locals. The Chief Medical Officer from Mackay Hospital Health Service came out and said 5 or 10 minutes or 20 minutes doesn't matter. Well, I can tell you, Madam Deputy Speaker, this decision risks lives. I urge the minister to look deeply into this, why there is a cost reduction in the capital program, why my emergency service is at risk, and I call on the member for Mackay to stop being silent for her community.
Call the member.